2019 Toyota Avalon. Look at this sexy white beast. And you know what we do at Exhaust Addicts, what we do best. Every and any car that comes in, we try to straight pipe it. So that's what we did. We straight piped this beast. As you guys can see, factory converter up there and up there, factory third converter, then resonator delete, then secondary resonator delete, then muffler delete, there and there. And last but not least, we added some sexy quad tips by Natami right there. Look at that sexy staggered Natami tips to finish it off. Here's the part number on the Natamis. Guys, we're working with them. We will have a website with them soon, so you guys can get all these tips in one place. So stay tuned. Here it is, part number NT1626-2BC. Because Natami has the quality Exhaust Addicts requires. As you can see from the build quality and everything, we decided to partner up with them. So stay tuned, guys, okay? There's the two resonators that were on it, right there. And I don't know where the rest of the exhaust system is, but that's the two resonators that were on it. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. We got the boys in, wearing the hats, the Exhaust Addicts hats. He took them off. There you go. He's not shy, he's shy, but it's okay. We're gonna let you guys see their reaction when we started. Go ahead. You like? Yeah, it's loud, dude. Hell yeah. Wow. Did you guys ever expect an Avalon to sound like this? That's beautiful. Hear sound decibels? That actually sounds better than the PR. You know why? Because of the quad tips I said. Yeah. I like it. And it's quiet at idle, guys. Look, this is idle. Give it gas. 160. Go ahead and back it up. It's a fat car, though. Look at that. Basically a Lexus. Wow. You see with the Natamis, guys, it matches the black chrome. Very nice. Oh, that sounds beastly, man. I like it. Let you guys hear on the inside. Here we go, guys. Toyota Avalon. Sucker blinking left and right. Fully straight piped Avalon. Because you know, why not? We did a TRD last week and now an Avalon. Maybe we'll do a comparison video for you guys. That sounds nice, beast mode. I love it.